Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am going to discuss with you the class 7th Geographia. My topic is natural vegetation. It's for 7th class students. So far as the natural vegetation is concerned, it means all the types of plants which grow naturally in the jungles and forests. They are included in the natural vegetation. So the natural vegetation are all types of plants that grow in jungles naturally. That may be small plants, big plants, trees, whatever. They all include in natural vegetation. These grow naturally. No one seeds them, neither cultivate them nor harvest them. So these plants grow naturally, develop naturally, and these small herbs are used by animals as they are feeding. There are many types of shrubs in the jungles. This is a type of shrub you can see through picture. I am showing you it on spot in nearby jungle so that you can easily get informed about the natural vegetation. Natural vegetation is whatever grow in the forests and jungles. There are many types of plants in the jungles. There are small plants, big trees, shrubs, many types of shrubs, many types of trees, and many types of herbs are found in the jungles, which we called as natural vegetation. So far as the small herbs are concerned, it's eaten by the animals, and shrubs, leafy shrubs are used by the goats, sheep, and so on. And big trees are used for making buildings, for timber, fuel, etc. So the natural vegetation is a great source and a big source for for life. I am showing this picture to you. So far as the herbs are concerned, these are small plants, and shrubs are those plants which grow on a root, and trees are big size and a long height trees. You can assume that there are the homes of many wild animals in these jungles. Birds, small and big animals are living in these jungles, and these jungles provide many things to us. This natural vegetation is a very great source for human life, which support the animals as well as humanity and human beings. Thanks.